Hello. Thanks for joining us, whether you're streaming the show from around the world or live with us here in Pier 57 in New York City. I'm excited to introduce you to the next evolution of AI in your hand, Google Pixel 8 Pro and Google Pixel 8. They're the first phones to use our latest Google Tensor chip.
Pixel 8 is an evolution of the iconic Pixel design with more fluid contours and a smaller size that feels so natural to hold. Pixel 8 Pro introduces new considered design elements into the portfolio. We're using a soft, silky, matte glass finish to contrast with the high polished camera bar and highlight our powerful new camera system. Our porcelain shade on Pixel 8 Pro is accented by a soft gold trim for a luxurious ceramic look, and our new bay blue color is both energetic and hopeful. We're even updating Pixel Buds Pro today with new colors to go with our new phones, including bay blue and porcelain. We've partnered with iFixit to offer parts, tools, and repair guides directly to DIYers, the Actua display. You'll see it for the first time on Pixel 8. The 6.2-inch Actua display on Pixel 8 is 42% brighter than on Pixel 7 and gives you ultra real-world clarity for your videos, for your games, and everything else that you do on your phone. And Pixel 8 Pro takes our real-world display technology to the next level with our new Super Actua display. This 6.7-inch display is even more immersive, and it's our brightest display yet, with a stunning peak brightness of 2400 nits and a variable refresh rate that intelligently adjusts from 1 to 120 Hz. On the back of Pixel 8 Pro, you can see that we've added a new temperature sensor. It's a convenient and a quick way to check the temp on a pan or to make sure that the milk in your baby's bottle is just the right temperature.
Let me introduce you to the new Google Tensor G3. In our new Tensor G3 chip, every major subsystem has been upgraded. It includes the latest generation of ARM CPUs, an upgraded GPU, new ISP and imaging DSP, and of course, the TPU, our on-device AI engine that we've custom designed to run Google's AI models efficiently. Now Pixel 8 even knows what language you're speaking and can switch back and forth with you as you talk in multiple languages. Pixel 8 is also our first phone to use the same text-to-speech model that Google uses in our data centers.
6 must-try tips for taking incredible pet photos with your Pixel.
The voice sounds more natural, and I can fast forward or modify the speed. I can even ask my Pixel to read the pages in a different language. And Google speech models are also behind Pixel Call Assist, a suite of features that just make your phone calls and life easier, like helping you navigate a phone tree, and automatically removing background noise from your calls with clear calling, and saving you from calls you don't want with Call Screen. Now with improved AI, the next generation of Call Screen is helping Pixel users receive 50% fewer spam calls on average. It silently answers calls from unknown numbers with a new, more natural-speaking voice, and it's smart enough to separate the calls you really want from the calls you really don't.
Hi, you've won an all-expense-paid trip to the Caribbean. Press 8 to claim your prize now.
Unfortunately, the person you're calling cannot take your call right now. Have a nice day.
Call Screen will soon offer contextual replies so you can respond in a tap without even taking the call.
The incredible Pixel 8 camera combines powerful AI and Tensor G3 with a fully upgraded ultra-wide and a new wide camera that's capable of producing 2x optical quality images with even better low-light performance. And the biggest leap forward in Pixel camera this year is video. And you'll see vast improvements in low-light video performance, dynamic range, and shadow noise. And we're continuing to expand our image equity efforts with real tone, so your videos and photos accurately portray the wide range of human skin tones. Audio Magic Eraser. It lets you reduce distracting sounds in your videos using Tensor G3 and advanced machine learning models. Audio Magic Eraser identifies different sounds in your video and sorts them into distinct layers that you can control. Best Take feature in Google Photos. Best Take uses a series of photos taken closer together to help you create the shot you want. So you can choose what you think is the best expression. Some people won't be satisfied with anything but our absolute best camera in a smartphone. And you'll get it with Pixel 8 Pro. Every camera in Pixel 8 Pro is upgraded. The triple rear Pro camera system gets a new main sensor with better low light performance, a bigger ultra-wide lens with even better macro focus, an upgraded telephoto that can capture 56% more light and take photos with 10x optical quality. And we've added autofocus on the front-facing camera, so you can take the best pixel selfies ever. New Pro controls on Pixel 8 Pro. You can adjust settings like ISO sensitivity, shutter speed, lens selection, and focus. You can also get high-resolution 50 megapixel images from across the zoom range in both JPEG and RAW. And when you open those RAW images in Adobe Lightroom, you'll see they retain our signature HDR plus adjustments. But we are going even further to show what's possible with computational audio, introducing a new form of video processing called Video Boost. Look at how it compares to a different phone we picked up recently. You can see the skin tone is lifelike and properly balanced. The video has vivid color and detail that Pixel photos are known for. Every frame of this 4K video has gone through our HDR plus image pipeline. For a 1-minute video at 30 frames per second, that's the same as processing 1,800 photos. Video Boost makes it possible by pairing the incredible camera hardware and the tensor in your Pixel with our powerful data centers. Record a Pixel 8 Pro video with Video Boost enabled, and you'll have a high-quality version of it right away. Meanwhile, your video uploads to the cloud where Google's computational photography models like HDR Plus are applied to your entire video, every single frame. And when it's ready, the boosted video automatically appears in your Google Photos library. And when you use Video Boost in low light, it automatically enables night sight video for the first time on Pixel. You're getting truer colors, more details in the buildings, clearer dynamic range in the colorful lights that make up the cityscape. Even the fine details in those small alleyways, it looks like a city at night. Video Boost is coming to Pixel 8 Pro in a feature drop in December, and you're going to love it.
And Pixel 8 is available for pre-order today with some great offers. It comes in 3 colors, and it's on shelves next week. Pixel 8 Pro is available for pre-order now in a fresh range of colors, and it'll be on shelves with Pixel 8 next week. Pixel 8 and 8 Pro are also the first phones to ship with Android 14.